Today is Saturday, the 22nd of February, 2020, and I'm back in the Twinkie. It is 60 degrees in here. Don't know if that's showing up, and it is about 11:25. So I'm going to kind of tinker around with things today. Not too sure what I want to do yet. Got the baseboards here. But I'm thinking I might do some cleanup. Get some stuff out of the way before I do the baseboards. I also have to get those cabinet doors back up. The hinges are frozen. So hit those with some more PV Blaster and see if I can get those hinges working again. Get this stuff out of the bathroom. It's just a mirror, 2 ladders, and a cot. So, but yeah, I think I'm done with the fiberglass, done with the flooring. So I just need to put them somewhere. Okay, I get to work and tinker around. Good news is my telescoping ladder fits in the garage. That's pretty cool. A few other things in here, paint supplies and such, that I'll eventually get rid of. And yes, this is the garage area of the RV. You will hear sirens in my videos because we're becoming very citified now, and it sucks. Oh, this is pretty cool. Vintage. And vintage. I am working on the little things today just to get some stuff out of the way. Put my drawers back in the bathroom, got the ladders out of here. Still have my mirror to put up on the wall. Still have to fix the plumbing under the sink. As you can see, this space has a lot of what could be wasted storage. It's just set up with 3 drawers for clothes or what have you. But look at all this space back here. Yeah, and all this space here. So I could put some boxes of beads right up on here. And I'd have to be careful if I put stuff in here for storage, because I still will need to be able to move the drawer, so I'd have to put something back there that won't fall over or collapse. So yeah, I'm gonna get those beads put away in here. And then what I'm going to do, of course I have to wait till I get paid. I have this board here that I had over this area. But when I get paid, I'm going to buy some more wood and have them cut it and do hinged boards. So this area from here to here will have one section that will be hinged. I'm going to do it in 2 sections. And then I think that's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, because I've got a cabinet here. And then from here on down, I'm going to make another hinge section. That way I can open it and access this area when I need to. Here we go. Bunches and bunches of beads. Oh my goodness, there's so many of them. But at least I found a place. At least I found a place to store them for now, and I will eventually use them. Just right now is not a good time because I'm so busy with the construction and work and other things. But at least this is put away. That cleared out 2 bins, which is good. So over here, of course, these are the 2 bins that I just cleared out. This bin has some construction materials. This has photos and such. that I still need to go through. Of course, there is my vent hood that still needs to be installed. More items that go in here that I just threw them here until I'm done with construction. And down here is a sewing machine. So we're getting there. And of course, a pile of wood. I would love to get rid of this wood at this point, but I still have a couple more things I have to make before I can dispose of the wood. But at least, and I'll give the wood away or do something with it. I'm not going to throw it away. Somebody always needs wood, right? I could have used free wood. Okay, so yeah, these are the drawers. Those are just packets, scented packets that I threw in the drawers just to make the place smell better or keep it smelling decent. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, I guess I can put the top back on for now and pile my wood back on top as much as I hate to. But at least I'm condensing. That's my goal today, is just to get things condensed. Oh yeah, I also put some beads up here too, but not many. Just some bags of beads. And some of this is finished jewelry. So if I ever make it to the flea market, you know, I might check it out and see if jewelry sells there too, because I have some pieces to get sold. And I put a few things down there too. So yeah, being overrun by beads. I would really actually like to put my camera gear or something under here, but we'll find a place for it. I did my measurements for the split board that I'm going to put up here. I just have to wait till payday, which isn't until Tuesday before I can buy it and do it. That's okay. It's not like I don't have anything else to do in the meantime. I'm going to go ahead and stack these boards back up on top of here for now. I don't want them sliding and scratching the paint and marring the surfaces and stuff. And then perhaps tomorrow, if I don't get interruptions and if I get a good quality work day, maybe I can cut the panel for the bathroom sink. See, what do I want to cut panels for? The bathroom sink and okay, just 3 panels is all I need to cut. I've decided I want to put doors on these areas. I was going to do curtain, but doors would make more sense. So, and I have wood, so all I have to do is buy hinges. So I will, got stuff in the way. But anyhow, yeah, I'll work on that this weekend, getting those cut. At least I can do that much. I'm going to take a picture of my measurements. That way it's in my phone. That way I won't have to worry about forgetting to take this copy with me. Okay, so let's go put all this junk back up. I'm going to have to find a place to store a few of those boards. It's always a good idea to hang on to a couple of them, just in case you have to replace one. The rest of it is just pretty much scrap. At least I got that down some. I got 2 bins down. Got some space. I have this also. I'm going to probably store my bedding in that, since I'm not going to have a regular bed to make every day. I will take my bedding off my little sofa bed and put it in there each morning. It looks worse than it is, trust me.